So that's me finished my micropigmentation treatment with Mark Smith, and as you can see, I'm quite pleased with the results. We went over to London, did the training, and came back to Belfast, did the training or did the rest of the procedures, and over the following weeks we built it up layer by layer, and the last layer was the final layer, which I'm more than happy with. I feel a lot better. I can see the old shape of my head that I used to have many years ago when I was a lot younger. So it's good to be able to see that and to notice that, rather than looking at the big baldy head that I used to have all the time, where I thought I could do nothing about it. But with micropigmentation, I thought it was a great option. I never would have considered a hair transplant. I just accepted the fact that was me, the way it was, and that's the way it was always gonna be. So when I saw Mark's services, I thought this is great. I'd watched YouTube videos and saw other people getting it done, and I thought, yeah, that's for me. So I made a few inquiries. Mark got back to me, and it all went from there, really. So anyone who's thinking about it, go, by all means, go and do your research, think about it, but definitely give Mark a shout. You've nothing to lose with Mark. He knows what he's doing. Even throughout his training, he was asking questions. He was curious. Always wanting feedback, and then throughout the other sessions that followed, he would have taken his time, would have spent his time looking at me, looking what he thought would have been the best way to proceed. He would have asked me for my feedback and how I felt about it, and then we would have got it completed. But I'm more than happy with it. So yeah, definitely give Mark a shout if you're thinking of having it done.